Here's another S Pen trick or feature that's rather on the neat side. It's the press and hold pen button. And if you press and hold a button here from a distance about like this here, you will see that you can be taken to the app or feature that you have selected it for. So if you want to know how to set this up here quickly, let's go ahead and dive into it. This is the S24 Ultra, works for the S22, S23 Ultra with the S Pen. Let's get started. If it's your first time doing this here, you can use the quick access and tap on the settings icon right here. Then use the search bar right there and type in the words S Pen. Okay, so just go ahead and type that in. It'll give you the suggestion for all the S Pen settings. Then you can just simply go here to the S Pen 1. And as you're here now, just make sure you are from the top area here where you can see the pen status. And you want to go to where it says Air Actions. You can turn it on from here or dive into it. Then in this section here, go down to where it says Press and Hold Pen button. This one right there, okay? So as you tap on it here, as for demonstration purposes, I currently have it set to access the dialer app, which is my Samsung phone dialer app. So you want to kind of keep a distance about this far here and hold down the pen button, which is this button right there, if you can see it. So hold it down like that there, and that'll take you straight to the app that you set it to or the function you're setting it up to. So let's just say I come back here and I want to choose something else other than that there. Maybe I want to access the calculator. Let's just, for example, okay, so I just come out of here and suddenly I realize that, hey, I want to calculate something here quickly. So about this distance here, you want to hold down that button here and you'll see that it'll take you to the app itself that you set it up to. So whether it's a app or a feature or navigating feature, you can go ahead and select that one there with the pen. And of course, if you don't like this feature, just simply turn off the press and hold function and you're good to go. If this guide gave you some sort of new idea of the S Pen, like and sub.